Hey y'all, I gotta get through this quick. Um, I'm gonna be talking about the brands that I follow and am an influence for and ambassador for. We're gonna go through these promo codes really quick. These websites. First website is glorifiedcosmetics.com, www.glorifiedcosmetics.com. Promo code is Ebony10. Ebony, EBONY, is all caps, okay? Ebony, all caps 10, okay? No spaces altogether, okay? Next one is Yes Style, YESSTYLE.com, okay? You can use my promo code EXOTIC, that's EXOTIC1. Now, that doesn't have to be all capitalized. I think just the E is capitalized. But no spaces, it's all together, and you can save 10% off there, okay? The third one is the Boss Babes Co.com or the Boss Babes Company.com, whichever you prefer. Now, when you get on there, you use promo code EXOTIC, EXOTIC.EBONY, and that's for 30% off your entire purchase. So exotic.ebony is just like my Instagram name, exotic.ebony, for 30% off, okay? I don't think that's lowercase, no capitals, okay? Then the last but not least is Elite Fash. I love Elite Fash, y'all. I love it, okay? Now, what you want to do is go to elitefash.com. And that followers code is Ebony20. It's no caps, just all lowercase, Ebony20, and that's for 20% off. That's ELITEFASH.com. Of course, you got to put the HTTPS // if you want to do that, or you can just type in elitefash.com. Now, to go back to the Boss Bays Co. or the Boss Bays Company, theirs is at, well, it's not at, that's their Instagram. It's THEBOSSBABESCO.com, and that is the website. Promo code exotic.ebony for 30% off, okay? So you got two 10% off promo codes, one 20% off promo code, and one 30% off promo code. What you gonna do, sis? What you gonna do? You need to make it do what it do, okay? I need to see you in some Boss Babe stuff, girl. I need to see you in some Elite Fash stuff, girl, some YesStyle.com. Girl, if you want to mix it up all together and send it to me and I post it, tag you in it, sis. Come on, sis. Come on. Like, I'm doing this for me and you. Saving. Come on, save them coins and save them coins and be the best fashionista you can be with these promo codes, y'all. I promise you, I will not stop, okay? It does not stop. There's more coming. I'm working on trying to get these for you, for y'all, for us, so we can share and be glamorous and be empowered, because I know the Boss Babes code, they're all about women empowerment, women empowering women. Glorifies Cosmetics is for all the glory of God and enhancing your inner beauty and your inner confidence. So it's all for a positive cause, okay? So if y'all would just do that for me, thank me later. Just feel free. If you ain't even got the coins now yet, girl, sis, just make you a shopping cart, sis. Pray over that thing, and the rest is history. The rest is history. You will be the best fashionista you will be with Coach Ebony, okay? Coach Ebony gonna save you some coins, baby. Okay? Coach Ebony gonna save them coins for you. But yeah, y'all stay cool, stay sweet, bless up, love on one another, spread the word. I will go more in depth and in detail when I go on live. Y'all, this is my first video talking about this. I know it's choppy. I know it's quick. I just don't have enough storage on my phone, but I got to get this juice out to y'all, okay? So just charge it to my heart. Charge my head and my heart, however it go, y'all. Just, I love y'all. Just stay safe. I'm talking too much. I'll catch y'all later.